Welcome back to Technology Review, where we bring you deep dives into the tech devices that shape your world. Today, we're revealing exclusive new details about the highly anticipated Garmin Forerunner 975, an upcoming flagship fitness watch that's poised to change the game for runners, triathletes, and health-conscious users alike. This isn't just another upgrade. It's a total shift in how serious athletes and everyday users monitor their performance, stay safe, and stay connected. Garmin has long dominated the fitness wearables market with its combination of powerful hardware and precise software. From heart rate monitoring to advanced GPS accuracy, the brand has built its reputation on reliability, innovation, and pushing wearable technology to its limits. But with the Forerunner 975, things are going even further. This video takes a close look at every major leak, insider report, and early spec expectation surrounding the Garmin Forerunner 975. We're going to unpack all the major changes, what they mean for real-world users, and how this new model compares to its predecessor, the Forerunner 965. Whether you're a long-distance athlete, a smartwatch enthusiast, or just curious about what's coming, you'll want to watch until the end. What sets Garmin apart, however, is how it incorporates this data into a bigger performance picture. It's not just about collecting health stats. It's about turning them into actionable insights. Expect the new Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor to play a key role here. This next-gen sensor reportedly improves accuracy during intense workouts, reduces lag, and provides better readings across different skin tones and sweat conditions. Moving on to design. One of the early standout rumors is the inclusion of a more vivid AMOLED display, just like the one on the Forerunner 965, but improved. If this pans out, the Forerunner 975 may push brightness and contrast levels even further, helping runners read data clearly during sunny outdoor runs and low-light night training. It's also said to maintain the always-on display feature that gives Garmin watches a functional edge over some of their rivals that require wrist flicks or button taps. Battery life is another area where Garmin typically dominates, and the Forerunner 975 isn't going to be an exception. One of the biggest rumored features is solar charging support, similar to what we've seen on Garmin's Fenix line. For those doing ultra races or multi-day treks, that means less dependency on chargers and more freedom to roam. Combined with more efficient power modes and smart battery optimization, the 975 is expected to last for several weeks in smartwatch mode and over 40 hours in full GPS mode. That's industry-leading longevity. Let's talk performance tracking. This is where the Forerunner series has traditionally thrived, and the 975 is expected to take this even further. We're talking real-time stamina tracking, which gives runners a live estimate of their remaining energy based on pace, heart rate, and effort levels. The existing feature has been solid on the 965, but it's expected to become more predictive and adaptive in the 975. In addition to stamina, Garmin is working on upgraded performance condition tracking, which offers instant feedback on how well you're performing during your session based on a combination of heart rate variability, fatigue levels, and training history. The Forerunner 975 could introduce more accurate lactate threshold estimations, VO2 max updates, and recovery time forecasts tailored to your actual physiology, not just formulas. Then there's the new AI-assisted coaching system. While this hasn't been officially confirmed, sources suggest Garmin is working on a next-generation training suggestion engine that uses machine learning to refine recommendations over time. Imagine a coach that learns from your body's responses, recovery speed, and training rhythm, and then updates your schedule accordingly. It's a leap from static training plans and moves Garmin closer to truly personalized fitness guidance. Now, for those who love to train with music or podcast motivation, the 975 is expected to double down on onboard music support. You'll still be able to download Spotify playlists and podcasts, but wireless headphone connectivity is said to be more stable, with reduced dropout rates. There's also a high likelihood of increased onboard storage, potentially up to 32 gigabytes, giving you more space for songs, maps, and apps without needing your phone nearby. Speaking of apps, Garmin's Connect IQ ecosystem is expected to expand with more third-party support and better integration for app developers. Think custom dashboards, dynamic widgets, and maybe even some new mapping overlays designed for multi-sport athletes who do trail running, cycling, and triathlons. But one of the most exciting rumors, yes, we saved the best for last, is the possible introduction of LTE. If Garmin goes this route, the Forerunner 975 could operate fully independently from a smartphone. You'd be able to receive calls, send texts, stream music, and send emergency alerts all from your wrist. For outdoor adventurers and those training in remote areas, this could be a total game changer. Safety features will likely get a bump too. In addition to incident detection, look for enhanced live track functionality that shares your real-time location, pace, and heart rate with friends or family. It's a big peace of mind feature, especially for solo athletes training far from home. Let's shift gears and talk about what the Forerunner 975 means for Garmin's wider product line. The 965 is already a strong performer and will likely drop in price once the 975 is announced. But the 975 appears to be Garmin's answer to smartwatch users who want the best of both worlds: fitness tracking and smart features without compromise. In many ways, it seems poised to be a more refined, sport-focused alternative to the Apple Watch Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Watch Pro models. And yes, we expect the 975 to continue supporting multi-band GNSS, which provides incredibly precise GPS tracking even in tough environments like cityscapes or dense forests. For athletes who obsess over data accuracy, and let's face it, that's a lot of us, this is one feature Garmin absolutely nailed, and we don't expect them to scale it back. So when can we expect this device to officially launch? While Garmin hasn't made an official announcement, all signs point toward a late Q2 or early Q3 2025 release. We've already seen early device certifications and regulatory filings, which typically precede a Garmin product announcement by just a few months. Pricing is likely to fall around the $599 to $649 range, placing it slightly above the current Forerunner 965, but still within reach for serious users. Now the big question, is it worth upgrading if you already own the Forerunner 965 or another recent Garmin device? That depends on how heavily you value the new features. If you're excited by the ECG sensor, LTE, solar charging, and AI coaching possibilities, then yes, it's a big leap. But if you're satisfied with the 965's current offerings, you might want to wait for the final feature set to be confirmed before jumping in. And that's why we're here. Technology Review will continue covering this story as it develops. The moment official specs drop or real-life photos leak, we'll have it for you right here. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our full review when the Forerunner 975 finally lands. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is where tech meets purpose.